Here it is. This is one of the new release, and this is October or mini kit. I will show you how I use it in a bit. What I usually do is that I will take the October and I will move this closer to the left. And I'll get goals. I think I'll put goals first. Hey guys, I just wanted to record a voiceover separately. I noticed during the editing stage I'm missing some voiceover during this part. So what I did is that I applied the goals sticker. The next one I applied the small circle stickers. The next one I added the to do, and lastly I added notes. Finally, you can see later on or even right now that you'll see that I applied that large washi tape at the bottom, and that really topped up the entire spread. And let's get back to the video. Here it is. This is how it looks like in my October spread. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. The next section to this video will showcase my recent new releases, new size and new sticker for Hobonichi weeks, and I'll show you in a bit. So here it is. This is the to-do list checklist. It'll fit perfectly in your Hobonichi weeks. And let me give you an example. Right here, I have used one of these to-do lists in my spread. Looks pretty nice right now. And it fits perfectly on the left-hand side. On the right, you get a Hobonichi habit tracker, and this particular style is this kit. It has 4 different colors and we'll be able to use up for a month. These sizes is called the pocket size, and they are a little bit cheaper than our regular size, so it's good if you like to get them. Next, we do have scripts. They're pretty cute and pretty funny. So here we have our adult scripts. Oh well, poor adult choices, I did again, oh well, and so on. It comes in 2 different colors. One is the standard, no background color. The second one will have a different color, purple, pink, and blue. That's it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys have any question, feel free to let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much and see you next time. Bye!